Benefits of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has a lot of benefits for your health. It's no surprise why Oprah, 2020 and CBS, to mention a few, all rave about apple cider vinegar and its benefits. There are also many books written about apple cider vinegar describing how excellent it is for your health. The best-selling books on the subject include Apple Cider Vinegar Miracle Health System by Patricia Bragg, Amazing Apple Cider Vinegar by Earl Mindell, Apple Cider Vinegar for Weight Loss and Good Health by Cynthia Holzapfel, and Dr. Karka's Apple Cider Vinegar Cures and Treats by Dr. Karka. Proponents believe that apple cider vinegar can cure or help with a myriad of diseases and health problems such as arthritis, osteoporosis, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, cancer, infection, indigestion, memory and aging. Also, the most talked about benefit of apple cider vinegar apparently is its help with weight loss. Here are some of the major benefits of apple cider vinegar. 1. Apple cider vinegar and weight loss. 2. Apple cider vinegar and acid reflux. 3. Apple cider vinegar and acne. 4. Apple cider vinegar and wart. 5. Apple cider vinegar and heartburn. 6. Apple cider vinegar and yeast infection. 7. Apple cider vinegar and arthritis. 8. Apple cider vinegar for skin. 9. Apple cider vinegar and cholesterol. 10. Apple cider vinegar for hair. 11. Apple cider vinegar and blood pressure. 12. Apple cider vinegar for sinus infection. 13. Apple cider vinegar and candida. 14. Apple cider vinegar and gout. 15. Apple cider vinegar and detox. 16. Apple cider vinegar and dandruff. 17. Apple cider vinegar and GERD. 18. Apple cider vinegar and hair loss. 19. Apple cider vinegar and constipation. 15. Apple cider vinegar and diabetes.